What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Welcome back. In this video we're going to be talking about the equipment that I use to record. 125 Rods asked for a little video on it, so we're going to make a video on it. Give me a second to set up the stand. Alright, so I have made a video on this in the past, but it was probably like 2 years ago. Nothing's really changed per se in what I use, but I figured, a new video is useful as well. So my helmet here, I have a HJC i10 with it's got a built-in setup so that you can have a in-helmet microphone and all of that. So basically I have a Purple Panda mic here, lapel mic. It's hidden, tucked up inside of here. You can kind of see it. I don't want to break it because the last one broke actually. So yeah, I got this little mic wrapped around into here with a little windscreen on it, and then I kind of just push it behind the padding so that the padding gives it a little bit of extra noise reduction. Picks up the sound honestly quite perfectly. So yeah, this is the helmet. I think I paid $180 for this. Just got my wife one as well. So yeah, works really well for the price range, and I like how it looks. It's got vents here, here, and here, so plenty of vents. It did leak in the rain, so I guess there is that to kind of keep in mind. That's probably because of the head vents here. I don't know if not having them that might help, but I don't know. It's not a all season helmet either. It's not really what it's meant for, in my opinion. I don't think that's what they market it as. And then let's put that back there. We have two different GoPros. So I have the GoPro Hero 6 Black here. I've had this one for probably like 6 years now, maybe a little bit longer, 6 or 7 years. I got this with the GoPro gimbal and drone package. This guy here. So that goes onto the gimbal piece that goes into here, and then you have like the actual handheld gimbal as well. So I got this kit, the GoPro Karma. This thing I've literally used twice. It's kind of a shame. So we have that, and then we have the first GoPro that I ever bought, which is a little Hero 5 Black. It doesn't say in the thing, but both are basically the same. This one actually has the black logo. The Hero 6 has the normal GoPro logo, which normally the black version is colored differently, but they didn't do that on the Hero 6. I honestly thought I had a Hero 7, but I went back into my Best Buy orders just to make sure, and it is indeed a Hero 6. So well, this one actually tells me that, and this one is a Hero 5. I thought this one was the Hero 7, but it's not. So to get the audio, what I use is this GoPro branded adapter. I'll throw a link in the description. I want to throw a link in the description for all of these. They link to Amazon, and if you do purchase something, it does help benefit me. Please use it. I do appreciate it. So yeah, this is the adapter. Basically, it has a USB-C port here that goes into the GoPro, like so, and then there is a USB-C port here, as well as a microphone port here. Now, you do need an adapter for the lapel mic. So this is 3.5 to, I don't remember what this is, to be honest, but that is my little adapter that I use. Unless I'm filming a video with the stand here and the GoPros. Give me a sec. If I'm filming on the stand where my phone is at, I use this Rode mic here. I don't know what version it is. It was like their $300 ballpark is the price for it. So if you find one for that price, that's probably what you're looking at. It's got different controls, high and low shelf, and then audio, decibel up and down. High pass filter and low pass filter. But yeah, so I got that on the light, and then that goes on top of here like so. Obviously not practical when you're riding a motorcycle. Imagine I was just riding around with this. Holy shit, that'd be hilarious. The audio would be just really windy. It wouldn't work. It wouldn't pick up anything inside of the helmet. So yeah, that's for my all around stuff. And then onto the next piece. This is like super cheap. It's Alonzi or Valanzi, I don't know. But it's a case for the adapter and for the GoPro. So you have your little adapter here. It's got the back that clicks in its place. This goes in, this goes in. There's one thing I don't like. There's a little bit of movement. Sorry, just picking my nose, don't mind me. And I think that caused, I think it's this one to be a little bit blown out. So where this adapter attaches, as you can see, there's a little bit of movement. So you essentially feed this through here like so, pop it in like so, and then there's that little bit of a bend and stuff. I don't know, it just doesn't sit in there very securely. I wish there was something over this that held this into place more securely. There might be other versions, but I don't really know. So that goes like that, and then you can get your different adapters. So for the helmet, I have this curved piece here, and this is just a stock GoPro adapter that came with the GoPro. There's a set that I will link as well in the description by Insignia, I believe, and they make something similar. So how I have this set up is there's a little piece of tape right here, so my adapter my mic piece can go right here, and it sits on there. And then I have what is necessary, a 90-degree adapter. So you take this little adapter here, and I have this all messed up. Give me 1 second. There we go. So you take it, this end, pop her in, get her how you want her. She can move around a little bit, and yeah, you screw her in, dude. Actually, I think I had that upside down, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, okay, so I have it so that the nut is on the top. That way this is sticking out of the bottom and not in your way or your field of view while you're wearing the helmet. So to get that set up, this will go on like so. And now you have an adapter for your GoPro piece to be straight. So instead of it being like this and getting a terrible video, it'll be like so, getting a good video. Now, some people go the extra mile and they just get a stubby screw and cut this off. I've thought about it, I'm just a little bit lazy, so I don't do that. But essentially, like I was saying, you can either take your head or your mic adapter and put it in there, or you can take this adapter and put it in there. So I'm gonna take this adapter, throw her in there, and bada boom, bada bing. You do still need to kind of help it just so it doesn't fly around while you're riding. I need to replace this piece with another little piece of 3M double-sided tape, but regardless, that's what it looks like. That's the setup, that's how it rolls. You have your audio here, you have your microphone adapter to your microphone, which routes around the headphone or the helmet to right here with this little windscreen behind here. And then I have my ghetto little headset and stuff, and that's on apparently, so hopefully the audio is not coming through here. That would be very unfortunate. I don't think that's possible with it being recorded how it's recorded, but yeah, that is the setup that I use for recording motovlogs and the setup that I use for recording normal videos as well. So all of the car videos are recorded on well, they were recorded on this GoPro with this stand behind you and this adapter like so. But dude, imagine riding like that. I wonder if that's illegal. Like, you know what I mean? That's so ridiculous, holy shit. But yeah, that's the setup. Hopefully you all enjoyed. If you did, like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good shit. And rods, hopefully this helps you out. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.